Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to buy Little Pepe from MetaMask. First, make sure your MetaMask wallet is set up and ready to go. You'll need to have some Ethereum, or ETH, in your wallet to cover both the purchase of Little Pepe and the associated transaction fees. It's important to have enough ETH to avoid failed transactions. We'll walk through connecting your wallet to a decentralized exchange next. Now, let's connect your MetaMask to a decentralized exchange. Uniswap is a popular choice for many meme coins. Navigate to the Uniswap website and click the Connect Wallet button, then select MetaMask. Once connected, you'll need the correct contract address for Little Pepe. Always double-check this address from official sources to prevent scams and ensure you're buying the right token. With your wallet connected and the Little Pepe contract address entered, you're ready to swap. Input the amount of Ethereum you want to spend. The exchange will show you how much Little Pepe you'll receive. You might need to adjust your slippage tolerance, especially with volatile meme coins, to ensure your transaction goes through. A common starting point is 1% to 3%, but sometimes higher is needed. Before finalizing, always review the transaction details in your MetaMask pop-up. Check the gas fees and the amount of Little Pepe you're receiving. Once everything looks correct, confirm the transaction. Your Little Pepe token should appear in your MetaMask wallet shortly after the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.